Mwandikithia munene wa maciira ruhonge-ini rwa magoti Anne Amadi augite Waagi wa kigina gya kuigana ruhonge-ini ruru ni gucungirire gwikururia kwa maciira maingi undu mwe na kugatafari na njiru cia uthii wa na mbere ruhonge-ini ruru.
It depends on the resources that we get, so it will happen but through a phased process. No, we don't have enough resources right now. We're just completing the existing structures, so we're not starting any new projects until such time that the funds will be made available to us.
Amadi ruranagia hindi ya guthurima wake wa igoti ria Ruiru augite icigo nyingi guku bururi-ini itire na magoti ma guthikiriria maciira mao undu ria utumite ingi ao kwaga mwihoko na ruhonge ruru.
Because we have 291 constituencies and about 125 courts, more or less, so about half the constituencies do not have a court.
Akinyita baru miario Amadi mubunge wa Ruiru Simon King'ara augite muingi wa gicugi ki ucungagirirwo kuha thabari nginyagia Thika niguo maciira mao guthikiririo undu riugite ni uguthira igoti riria rika.
Tukoretwo tukiriria gukorwo na igoti ritu guku Ruiru nigetha tutigae guthie Thika na kuria kungi na nigetha maundu maria okorwo ni migundera garurwo guku maundu ma micii manini maria mendaga uteithio wa igoti mekikage na haraka na andu magacoka mawira-ini.
Mwaka-ini wa kigina wa 2018-2019 bunge ya kibururi-ini yanyihanyihire kigina ruhonge-ini rwa magoti kuma ciringi bilioni 17.3 nginyagia bilioni 14.8 undu uria arungamiriria nene ruhonge-ini ruru mamenereire na njira nene. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ni njitagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.